This is a pantry build. So this was a closet under our staircase. And when we first moved into this house, we just used this for regular storage. So a lot of cleaning supplies and that kind of thing. But there were no shelves in it. So it wasn't a very efficient use of space. So I built these shelves, and not professionally done, nothing special with respect to the materials used. It's just Douglas fir from the big box store, construction grade lumber, and I planed the boards down, ran them through the table saw, got them as straight as possible. And then did a lot of sanding, finishing, routed the edges, and I cut a dog leg angle on the entrance to the pantry, so that you didn't get caught up on the corner or hit yourself on the corner. So it's a relatively simple build. The hardware here for the braces is black and pretty beefy. The lumber is a 2x dimensional lumber, so it's also pretty beefy, and I like the look of that. And so I finished it with polyurethane, and because it's a soft wood, we'll likely need additional coat of finish at some point in the future. Here's what it looked like before. We filled it up with all the pantry stuff, but I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out, and definitely more efficient use of the space with the shelves in there.